Good morning, guys. My name is Alabibo Official. Guys, I'm coming live and clear from Villa Mendelin here. So it's a blessed day. So we thank God for the gift of life. And today it's a surprise by itself toward my project. And I'm just here to say, God, thank you so much to be in this world of blessing. So actually, guys, today these videos it's all a surprise toward my project. And actually, guys, I'm just installing my tiles to my modern toilet, so that's why I put more energy. So that being said earlier, and technically maybe today or tomorrow, but sorry, I can't work on Sunday, so by Monday I will finish my mom washroom. So today we just see what is going on, and it's super amazing, guys. And I want to take you around before I move. This mango trees, and this surprise it's come from big shout out to Jamaican uncle. May God bless you. So guys, to be honest, Jamaican uncle support me with 2 bags of cement, and I really appreciate on that. So today I woke up in the morning, no idea of cement, so the mason came to finish maybe the small, like 2 spades of cement that are remaining. But you know, when you wake up in the morning, no idea what am I going to do. But God opened the door, so that's why I'm saying I'm blessed. I'm blessed, man. Enough love. So for me, maybe today I'll complete, and Monday I'll put maybe both washroom, because I've already have the tiles for the washroom. So, and then maybe the toilet will be remain. So until when I get the tiles, I'll do it. And guys, for your support, I really appreciate, because it's made me the way I am and change maybe my family. So just over here, oh, the car going outside, guys. Let me show you. Wow. We outside. We outside, guys. Maybe it's closed. Thank you, God. So I want to open the door. So they want to go outside after taking what? We're going outside. They're going to graze, guys, around. You know, this gate is strong, guys, so you must have strong energy. Umaherenda ho no umaherenda tunakuwa hayo. Wow. So guys, thank you so much, and let's see, guys, because yesterday you have some a lot of rain, and today you can see the cloud, so it's wanna rain up. You see the water is rising, man, look. And you know, every day you must check the fish how it's doing the process. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Hey, you know, there when you see the bubble of water, you have the sensitive tilapia. So after this, guys, I'm going to Nyabohanse to purchase those cement. And actually, guys, for me, if I have been surprised with something, and I must make a videos for the owner, maybe can see and prove it. You know, I'm not the guy who faking things. So right, left, center. After this, guy, I'm going to Nyabohanse to have that cement, guys. And big thanks to Jamaican uncle. May God bless you, man, and give you more days in this world, you know. So let's see. You know, I'm trying to look the tiles like this one here, but rough, to put on floor and both toilet. But for the washroom, I have already purchased the tiles. So actually, I'm looking this one, this color white, but rough one. I don't want to put smooth because you might knock the head like this. So I don't like maybe one day my mom knock the head on the floor. I myself, I don't like. So I want to look white but rough. This one is smooth. You see, this one is smooth. So rough, it can work because my toilet doesn't have a lot of light. So that's the reason why 100% I'm concerning to put something which is unique or white, like ceiling board is white, tiles is white on the wall. You watching my videos, and I want to put on the floor white because in the night you can't. Maybe daytime you can take shower in the washroom and it's okay. But during the day, the night time, you can go to the toilet and it's dark. So at least when you have a small torch, it can penetrate the light, guys. So stay tuned as I go to the Bahasa, guys. Well, guys, so it's another beautiful day, and I thank God. So just over here with my 2 bags of cement, and actually, guys, I'm coming from there, Nyabuhans. So my first surprise from Jamaican uncles. So he surprised me with 2 bags of cement, guys. So that being said, the place where I am, I can't make the videos because we have the louder music. So guys, I picked 2 bags from Jamaican uncle, actually from the hardware and from the Bahasa, guys. So I'll take back home, and my mason are still on fixing the tiles. So I use this my baby here as a means of transport. So after this, we shall see, guys. You see, guys, so it's 50 kg. Maybe when I reach home, I'll show you. And it's Tembo cement. This one here, which are more powerful, and I wanna say big thanks to Jamaican uncle because he supported me with 2 bags of cement, guys. So just over here, and the cement was running crazy. So I don't have any idea, but God opened the door. So for now, man, I can push my mom's washroom, and I'll wait to see maybe next month I'll put some tiles on toilet. So we shall see by God's grace, guys. So you see the road is amazing, guys. Look, the view, super amazing. Over there, people are collecting sand. So we're heading this way, guys. This is the road coming from Nyabuhanse. And actually, guys, stay tuned as I going back home, guys. Yeah. See, guys. Look, it's a green nature by itself. You know. That motorbike passing there. Well, guys, on the way, this is where my sister and brothers learn. We call River David to Vesco School, guys, here. So actually, I'm heading home right now, and it's surprise by itself. So you had motorbike are passing, guys, and maybe I will try my best to shoot the videos while on the way, but if it's not advisable, I can't shoot the videos because this cement is too heavy, guys. Too heavy. So keep it low. We shall meet me on the way. Maybe when I'm going home or when I reach home, guys. It depends. Wow. Oh, guys, I'm on the way going back home with the cement, guys. So I want to say a big shout out to Team Mara, big shout out to Jamaican uncle. May God bless you for supporting me. 2 bags of cement, guys. So today I have no idea of cement, but God opened other way, so I get the cement, guys, you know. So I want to say a big shout out to Jamaican uncle. May God add you more and more, guys. So this is how our roads looks like. Imagine. I want to go slowly because it's a slanting road. have the cows here. It's crazy. Wow. So wow guys, I'm just over with my baby and it's helped me a lot. Let's see. This is how things they are here guys. Whoa. Wow. So guys, and it's so crazy. I'm riding and holding the camera guys, but I want to make sure that everything's going on and well and fantastic guys. I'm almost home, so I'm just within these beautiful streets here. Wow. So this is where I'm coming from, and God is good. Oh guys, the bike fall down here because this place you see this place? This place nimefunga. This place this place catch me and then I fall down guys. Mungu amesaidia nimepata simiti bana.
Simiti au kazi imesimama. Tangia ulienda.
Sasa mwenyewe kuona wapi muone mkono moja.
Nyoyo nimire kame. Tagorokia.
Tuguta chora.
Tata chora wote. Hata ntirekera hiyo. Nikupereke kere.
Nipereke, ni deni.
Chigenye saitira keni. Tukora kitu.
Manyara ti ule rumo wetu kobole.
Umepiga race.
Nilikuwa na mawazo mara mbili nikasema acha nipitie huko.
Kijana.
Hata hakuna mafuta ndani niliyafunga. Nikire hara na imiri. Haya, endesha bwana.
Sikia. Awati kilaji.
Wewe shika kilaji.
Utawezana?
Awati kilaji ndani usiku na keni.
Ya decided
To push. Hey. So this fence is bad guys. It cuts my bladder and then I fall down. But I thank God I didn't injured my body. So okay, kwani mlisimama muda kiasi gani?
Since umeenda.
Since I left.
Yeah.
Because God opened the other way. Because I have no idea for cement. So these are surprise from Jamaica and Uncle. Serious.
Okay.
Yes. They are there, bro. How do you want to take them? Okay, you go. So this fence, I must be very careful. It can't go. Usikanyage simu. Aya. Nyosha tu. Imagine guys, up to my construction.
We are pushing the motorcycle instead of riding.
He's not a driver. Push, bro. There. Naweza kufungua sasa. Wow guys. Yabon. Hey jacket. Guys, it's so hot. Hey jacket. Guys, I'm trying to remove the jacket. It's so hot. You see, Kenvi, how I was blessed. So today I was wondering the cement.
Kwani umefungia wapi?
Uko.
Hapa.
Uko mwisho. kuniweke pale kwa kiti. And my sister. Say hello. Say hello. Yes, very good. Let me open for you. Here. You know, the exhaust burnt my leg. Woo. Hey. It's imagination. Okay, someday I'll show you where the work reached. Hey, you see guys, no cement. And my mason stopped like 2 hours. Look, only fix 3 tiles and then game over. So by now, I want to say thank you so much, Jamaican uncle, for supporting me 2 bags of cement, and I really appreciate. So hopefully today this work might end, and I will left only 2 toilets, this one and this one here. Sisi zitaweka hadi chini, sababu chini tunaweka mchanga.
Stop that.
NV. You know, this one is not Simba cement. This one is Tembo.
This one is them.
Yes, I think it can work like Dumu.
We will see.
Say hello to my people because we're working.
Okay, guys. Can be right here. Can V 254. So after watching this video, kindly go check me out. Can V 254. You just write Ken
And then
space V
254.
space. It comes the first 254.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe if they don't know how to write your name, they can go and search that that color for your skin color. You see, guys. So today, no idea, and maybe this construction, maybe in terms of fixing the tiles, it wanna maybe end up without a cement. By now, God opened the door, so I had the Jamaican uncle surprised me with 2 bags of cement, guys. I repeat this one more. See? Wow. So hopefully I think it can finish up and do all stuff. Sitaki kutumia mafuta juu hayamo. Nataka nikae hapa mpaka kwa tutamaliza. Tukienda unaenda kukata. Wakati tunakata, I run to Yamara's place and then I come back. So for now, no fuel. I might loitering around at home here, guys. Imagine, guys. What if it could you?
If it was me.
Yes, and then no cement. And I think you fix around 4 tiles. Me today, I don't have any idea. Because I said you finish the cement that I have and then you go.
I think God plans everything. Yeah, we don't plan. You see, your plan was you are down, you have got nothing, but you can just see God has opened doors. Yeah.
Imagine, guys, I bought 4 bags of cement and it's fixed my washroom only. Here goes around 2 bags. Yesterday I brought 2, and then there's a time I brought 1, and yesterday 1 from Boratown. Fix the motor here. Ongeza maji. Afadhali hii. Because this one. And then you put the tiles here, guys. So I want to finish this situation, and then I will work on the toilet because even the toilet needed to tiling up. And construction is so hectic, and I really appreciate your support, guys, toward my family here. Where we call your name? Joseph Official.
Joseph Official 01.
Yeah? Joseph
Official 01.
Why not Wege? You change the name. Please forget. Okay. Yeah, now you have experience to mix the mortar. Mortar. You know, when you mix the cement, it creates a mortar. This is a concrete mortar here. Whew, guys, are you ready for this? What about you? And for me, I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Guys, you wake up in the morning, no idea, but God opened the door. Construction continued. I am feel so happy, man. So I can't wait to finish my mama washroom. And guys, if you wanna support maybe in terms of maybe tiling on the next 2 rooms, you can do so, and I really appreciate it, because I want my family to use this toilet maybe by the end of November. I think so, because locally no shower here. My mom wanna fetch water from the tank, brought here, taking shower, and life continue until when we get maybe solar. We call off grid solar panel that will connect. But for now, step by step, we're just moving on. And for me, I just working like crazy, you know. Not only my family could use this maybe toilet, maybe guys. If maybe one day you'll be my visitor and you are watching my videos continuously, one day you'll use this washroom here. Trust me, this one here. So yesterday we worked from here up this side. So today the cement ran out because no idea it reached here. So God opened the door. Well guys, so once again I'm back, and it's lunchtime, so we wanna see today what my son's supposed to take for lunch, man. So I'm just around at home here, and we shall meet maybe for the next videos. Guys, I love this jacket a lot. So right now they have been washed. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So I want to see what my mom prepare. Sometime again energy, man. So right now it's lunchtime. Oh, you see the pan, guys, here. Chapat. You guys, this chapat here. So today my mason will be enjoying the chapati and the tea. Wow. Okay. Hey mama, niwekee zangu hapa. Where is sahani? It's okay. Wewe weka hapa. Sauri zita hands chagade. Manyorora ni bere na rima.
Tembi yo we.
Ubona gunyenye. Sironi tatu. There's this chapati, and then this will be maybe, and I think so because I was not around. My mom, she have already given them the lunch, so go and confirm. So it's good, maybe guys, my mason to eat and gain some energy to do some work. So let me keep my lunch here, and then I'll come back to take lunch. So I'm going to check my mason where I have been given lunch and all stuff. Man, hey, today it's raining soon. You see the black cloud? That one, and I really shocked. The rest are white, but look at this here. You see, guys, this modification here. And guys, I wanna show you some small mistake, because this iron sheet is too short. It's supposed to adjust. Maybe next week I went to border town, I buy one iron sheet. At least what will be entering inside here, because there iron sheet somehow short. It's come like back, but this one it's okay, no problem with that one. Guys, on this video today I fall down with my cement, with my babe. But this fence at the corner there catch the bag of cement, and then I fall down like poop, like crazy. So for now I fall slowly. So let's see the work for today. Okay, it's an amazing job here. And guys, in case you made these videos, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Lord to 6K subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. So for me, I'm just climbing the ladder. Oh man, wow. If you remember the time I was showing you this maize and beans, it's somehow small, but right now the beans, it's ripe, man. Look, it's ripe. Oh, whoa. Guys, welcome to my construction. Otaka kunyurutu murotaka chokoro. That's my mason fixing the tiles.
Yeah, Ken
V. This is your chance. Maybe speak with my people.
Okay. Yeah. Of course, yes. Yeah. Ken V254. After watching this video, kindly go check me out. I go by the name Ken V. Ken is Ken space V space. It comes the first Ken V254.
So let me ask you a question. Today we wanna finish up this place.
Yes, it's just that the time has gone.
But the time is okay. So we mean like
not okay.
Here, my friend, here. And then maybe put, at least today, we say one washroom goodbye.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of
Today,
course, yes. You see, like yesterday, we thought we could finish, but because of the cement.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
But today, two bags of cement that I brought, maybe I think it can finish inside here only.
Yes.
Amitatengeneza hadi huko chini.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You're not sure of that, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, see the amazing work from Ken V. I'm running the work, guys. Ceiling board, tiling.
Of course.
No problem, guys. So, but guys, to be honest, these two doors have been closed. Means that no work going inside here. Because when I get maybe tiles, it depends. The time maybe. I'll work on it, but for now I close here.
Yes, because we are going to steal the toilet.
Yes, village. I close.
We are
guys.
constructing the construction that is closed.
You know, inside here you have classic toilet. So guys,
the masons here, we are going to steal the toilet.
No. You know the villagers. So there's no need maybe construction not going inside here. I close.
It's okay. I'm just kidding.
Just killing the show. So maybe guys, maybe when you support maybe to my mom toilet, and I wanna put the tiles inside, it's a good thing. Na hizi milango zimepasuka.
Hadi ile ingine ile yako ikafika kufungua sijui kakauke kakua ndogo.
So sasa nitafanya hizi milango.
You will do what?
Okay. I will left the way they are in case you can't see somebody inside.
Or you can decide to change.
The door.
Yes, because now this is a classic toilet.
So I put for the glass.
Yeah, you should go and purchase the doors for the toilet.
For the glass one, it can fit here. The glass one.
Yeah, if you can.
Ama zile zingine.
Even normal doors.
This is hardware.
Yeah.
Inaweza fix kwa hizo frame.
Hey.
You can put.
I think.
You know, if you are sure. For me, I no problem. One door costs to 6,000.
Yeah.
Or 3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
When I have 6,000, you put 2. And then you remove this one.
Or you can go and do what? You can purchase to our neighbor country here. Same doors, but they are made by timbers.
Yeah, bro.
They are not expensive.
It's not expensive, but
Yes.
from Tanzania to Kenya, it's somehow
No,
bit expensive.
no, it's very simple.
Hawezi shika.
No.
Kwani
People
ile
have been purchasing them.
kwani ile hardware
Even beds.
kwani ile hardware ina shida gani?
Ile hardware, they are
2000.
made of boxes.
Boxes.
Yeah.
So one day
So-
we see that for Tanzania and then we exchange. Maybe this one I will store.
Yeah, I'm doing what I'm just advising her baby because now I can see as a mason these doors are not good for this toilet now.
Because it's classic.
Yeah, it's because it's the classic.
Okay, the frame is okay. So the only thing is to take the measurement. Maybe one day we go and then we purchase 2 doors. We come and then we fix.
Yes, I can see you complaining about this door every time you come.
You see the way it's cracking. Look,
Yeah, they have big space.
even
For
here.
example, this one here.
Look, it's cracking, guys. Take the difference between here, guys, and this one.
For example, this one is not enough for this door here. You can see they left a big space.
Look.
Yeah, that's why even fingers can pass through. That's why I decided to extend this part here. Yeah, to close the big size.
But for now, Kenvi, I can use for meanwhile. When I get the money, maybe
Yes.
next year, I'll call you and then you fix
That's
it.
why I told you if
If.
yes.
But right now,
Yeah,
let
they
my
are
family
okay
to
for
use.
now. They
You
are
know,
okay
at
for
least
now.
to use this door,
Yeah.
rather than maybe putting here some maybe small bag, putting bag and all stuff. Now it's okay.
Yeah, if you know it's okay, don't complain.
I'm not
next.
complaining, but next year we'll fix this door because this one I put as emergency, and then
Yeah, for the start they are good. Yes.
and then maybe in future when I have maybe the projects for the chicken, I'll use this door maybe.
Yes. You have a dream of chicken.
Yes, next year, my friend. My friend,
Dreams
next
comes true. We have seen it working.
Yes. Come and ask you one question. Did you have to take lunch? Kuwa ukweli tumepewa lunch.
Guys, you can see I'm thinking. I don't know if I've taken lunch or
Taking
not.
Have you taken lunch?
Yes.
Because I don't make my people. Because right now, guys.
Yeah, we have even the stove
Yes.
of others. We have stocked others.
You stopped.
Yeah.
You eat until you full.
Yeah, then we stocked another one for another time.
So this is the chapati, guys. You see, guys, I'm telling you, today is chapati day. Look. And also your mandazi tea. My friend, I'm telling you.
You
Woo.
see, Africans, if we don't take, for example, we Masons,
Hey.
we are doing a hard job. If we don't take ugali, we see like we have not taken lunch. We know chapatis for breakfast.
Okay. But for me, when I take one chapati, it's okay. One chapati.
Yeah. But we are full now.
Okay, chapa kazi basi.
Chape kazi. Chapa
No,
kazi.
it's not.
Because of chapati.
You are full. So, and here, what do you think about putting ceiling here? Because now this is modern toilet. We're supposed to decorate.
What we do, for example, me, if you buy me materials and tell me, Ken, I want you to put ceiling there.
Here.
Even if it's not possible, I'll make it possible.
You know, for making matters is to reduce maybe the expenses of tiles here when you put ceiling board. Guys, so I'm going to take lunch and we shall continue maybe more videos, more vibe.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
let's continue.
Okay. You see the process of tiling, guys. You just wait and see. The measure. Hey, I'm taking Marina Kura moto. Hey.
Yeah, the whole are not straight.
The hole is not straight and then taking a lot of mortar. Mama yangu. I'm almost to die. See guys. Hey, cool.
Hello, baby, official.
The only baby. Sometime with my mason guys, we're just creating some jokes, guys. Don't take things maybe for serious. You know, they pretending not yet taking lunch, and he have already taken lunch, guys. Sorry for that.
We are coming from lunch now.
Yes. Well, guys, so let me have my lunch, and after from my mason place, and today this is our black coffee today, not milk tea. So this is our black coffee here. So that is it, and this chapati, guys, here. You know, I'm telling you guys, this chapati. Mama prepare chapati, guys. More delicious. And if you take 2 or 1, is the end. Wow, guys, we shall meet the end of the video as I finish taking my lunch, and we proceed for the next maybe vlog, guys, so stay tuned. Wow, guys, so let me close the house, and it's time to leave right now home, guys. Oh, let me wipe my camera. Sorry guys, I was wiping the camera, and I want to say it's time to leave right now. So I was taking my breakfast, and here I have the sweater, guys. So let's go. Mama ameenda wapi? Kwa hapo mimi nimeenda. So that's my sister. Can you want a camera? Murisinyeshewe. Uchane kulirusha. Well, guys, so I was telling my mason, take care of your camera, because right now it's raining time. I'm telling you guys. So I want to end my videos with you guys with the same energy. So imagine I fall down here. The cement have been catched here, then poop here. That's my mom coming from grazing the cow, guys. You heard? There's a sound from the crowds. Signs and symptoms that it's gonna rain anytime. So guys, we're just passing here. Oh, and to end the video with you. So for me, I'm so grateful. What I'm doing to my family, what I'm doing to entire communities, and it's good. Maybe it's maybe any time, any day, I will say, and then I say, wow, I do this to my family, I do this to community, and you guys as my family, I want to say thank you so much, because I need your support, and at least I can change my mom maybe step-by-step lifestyle, you know. So when I get the money, I just spend on maybe construction. And guys will be there watching my videos, what I'm doing. And I know for the haters, though, like for me, I don't mind with the haters, because they try to pull you down without no reason. We don't know what is going on, but for me, I'm just focused with the positive vibe, and I'm making my own thing, man. So imagine since morning I was going around, imagine coming back, things mess up, I brought to my mason. Imagine, guys. And all that, people are sitting down, warming chair, and actually for the haters, they were sitting down, warming chair, start blaming Hello Baby official. Guys, please, please, me, I'm not kind such of that person, of that maybe group. I'm just grinding hard to make sure that my family put something on table, and also, at least, guys, not too much maybe like, I want to say, for example, not too much maybe like I change everything, but at least I move some step, and it's because of you guys I made it possible. And oh, guys, it's on a rain right now, guys. So because of you guys, I changed my mom's maybe from one place to another, from one step to another. It's slowly by itself. Maybe the end maybe of the year, my mom could be maybe celebrate the fruit to be have a son. And guys, if I'm your son, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And guys, watch my video until the end. Don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby official. And in other way, guys, you supporting me a lot, and I'm here to say thank you a million. May God bless you. So for me, that's my last word from my heart, only to say thanks and maybe some appreciation. So that is good. That's the key to succeed in life. Only to say thanks, like that, and then the end of the day you succeed in life. And guys, you're amazing to me, and for me, I must be stand for one side to give you good videos, good vibe, and always, all the time, positive vibe win. You can see, guys, for that meaning positive vibe win, look, I fixed the tank. Right now I was finishing maybe putting tiles, but to be honest, only I'm working on the washroom, man. So that when I'm going, when there is a time I was buying some, I think it's previous, but this week I was purchasing the tiles, and guys, I said I would show you how the tiles will be rich, and that's the end of the story. So actually I was ending with my mom washroom, because I start with my washroom and then it goes to my mom washroom. So for now, so far so good. The step that I make, I want to say thank you so much. So the rest to toilet, maybe I will see. God will open other way. So let me stay calm and stay humble. Everything shall be possible, guys. So I want to end my video here, guys. So it's almost noon time, and you can see how the bright of my village looks like, guys. Green, guys. One day you could maybe visit my village and see how things may be going. You prove by your own eyes. This is Hello Baby that I watch on TV, from abroad, from maybe anywhere. So one day maybe we adventure and go around through my village. You see how things they are green. You can see, everywhere is green, guys. Look, that is how we called the land of Africa that I love. For me, 100% I love the land of Africa, because more so in village, life is so simple, because you can survive with $20 the whole week. That is it. So because you have free water, maybe in terms of means of transport, you can use motorbike, which is affordable. You can afford. Like for me, I have my motorbike, and I want to say thank you, Monkia 23, wherever you are. May God bless you, bro, because without you and without your support, maybe I could get the motorbike maybe later. But for now, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you, bro, because it helped me a lot. It helped me a lot, guys. And I said, wow, God opened the door. If I could not have the motorbike, guys, I couldn't maybe brought the mason back in home. This one is missing. I supposed to run right, left, center, and I said, what? What? Guys, I'm so blessed. You know, I'm so blessed, and I say, God, thank you so much. Be myself to be blessed. So, like, the only thing that I needed on my motorbike is to fill the gas, and I can do my own thing. Sometime it take me around, and also it not only help me, also it help my villagers. Like it help my entire communities and my entire family. You are watching my videos when I'm making the videos, and for me, the good thing about me, no more hide. Serious, no more hide. So I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. May God bless you and abundantly day, guys. So, and also bless to your family. For those people watching my videos, may God bless you and give you a good health, guys. And you keep supporting me all the way. If you remember, guys, my story from scratch up to now, maybe sometime you shed tears, but forget it. In other way, there is one word said, forget it, the past. If things pass away, just forget. But for me, I make these videos, sometimes it's a memory. You can go on my first video on YouTube, guys. You watch my videos and you might end up crying, shedding tears of joy. But I thank God. God uplift me, God changed my life, and also changed my family a little bit. So that is it. And my brother, wherever he was in school, and I pray for him. May God keep guiding him to continue with his study. And I think this for maybe that's 2025, 2026, 2027, maybe 2028 or 2027, the end, my brother could finish up the school and then could be look for the course of teaching, and we can be one brothers to support my mom, because my mom support us a lot since we are kids up to now. So far so good, guys. Let me end my video here. More stories coming maybe tomorrow by God willing, and if I'm alive, guys, I'll give you more videos, guys. So stay blessed, guys. I love you from my bottom of my heart. We shall meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.